Thanks for joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. Today, I'm doing a redo of the video for my Paper Bee Creative Design Team project for the month of November. It is part of my Plan With Me series where I take a digital kit and create a bullet journal style planner using just the digital kit and things from my stash. This is the one I did for the month of November. This month's December is this one. I did have some footage. Again, if you've seen my video of my December unboxing video, you know that I had a computer crash and lost a lot of video footage for several projects I'm doing. So I'm just trying to do a little redo of some videos to showcase those projects. This again is a kit from the Paper Bee Creative. I will have the link in the description box. The kit is Winter Witch, and I used the Winter Witch bundle that she has on Etsy. So I'm going to add some music here and just do a little quick flip through, and then I'll come back and explain a few things. The video footage that I lost did show you a little bit about how I put this together. I did a 3-hole pamphlet stitch using baker's twine here. And I did my planner a little differently this month. I decided to put my calendar in the center as a center spread instead of at the front of the planner like I've done in the past. Along with this Creative Plan With Me series, I have been offering a freebie that goes along with the kit that I'm using. Amber has allowed me to do this, and you can find this freebie in my Ko-fi shop. The December is part of that free digital, and also the numbers that I use to create the center spread here. Also in that freebie is the trackers that I use for my social media tracker. And my little note sheet here this week, which will have my running to-do list. There are a few other things that are on the freebie. I will put an image here showing you the picture of the freebie and a picture of the thumbnail for the kit winter. The other things that I used to create this was some bullet journal paper that I get off Amazon. I'll have the link for that in the description box. The alphabet stamps that I also got from Amazon, and I'll link that in the description box. And other than that, I used some days of the week stickers that I got from my stash from a sticker book that I got from Hobby Lobby, and a few sticker embellishments that also came from that same sticker book. I hope y'all are enjoying this Creative Plan With Me series. I do plan to continue this through 2025. I may change it up a little bit. I haven't quite decided exactly what I'm going to do for 2025, but I do enjoy this series, and I do enjoy making the planners that I'm going to be using because I don't really like really bulky planners that you can buy at the store. So creating these has worked well for me. I may do some kits in the future that I might offer on my Ko-fi shop, so be on the lookout for that. Be sure to hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I put up any new content. And until I see you again here in the attic, y'all take care.